Hey YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is LaDonna and I am a first-year homeschooling mom of two. I have a 5th grader and a 3rd grader, and on my channel I just like to share our journey and what we're learning, how we're growing, and what God is doing. And today's video is a part of an open collaboration and I'm really excited about it. This open collaboration is hosted by Abby from Rooted in Rest and Jessica from the Waldock Way. If you are unfamiliar with those two moms, I'm gonna link their channels in the description box below, and I would highly encourage you to check them out. Also, there will be a link in the description box to a playlist that contains a lot of other videos just like this one. Be sure after you watch this video, go to the playlist and check out all of the other videos. Abby and Jessica, thank you so much for the opportunity. So the theme for this video, for this collaboration, is nature study, which I'm really excited about it. And you're probably gonna scratch your head when I tell you I have no curriculum for the way we study nature, how we fit that into our homeschool. All I did was I purchased these nature notebooks from The Good and the Beautiful. I have one for my son and my daughter, and we just fit it in where we can. Now, the really amazing part is 2.5 years ago, my family and I, we moved to the great state of Missouri. And if you are unfamiliar with Missouri, conservation is a really big deal here, and what that means is they do a really good job of taking care of the public land and all of the outside recreational activities that are available to the residents or anyone who comes and visits. So the video that you're going to be seeing of my children and my family is us out on a hike. Both of my children have their nature notebooks, and they are actually just doing, let me see, it was a nature walk. So there are tons of activities within these nature notebooks, and one of the ones we really do love are the nature walks. And basically they have to go and they have to find all of the things that are on this list. And what was really special about this day, we hadn't seen the sun in probably 9 days. It is winter here in the Midwest, and that means that there tends to be a lot of cloud coverage. So when the sun came out, we finished school up early, we got our notebooks, and we went out for a hike. I think we hiked about 1.5 miles that day. It was really nice, really beautiful. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the footage of my two sweet children enjoying the outdoors. Hope you enjoy the footage, and thanks for stopping by.
Well, that's sharp.
Is this smooth?
Well, there's something that smells over there. Mom, look at this one. You can see it better. You can see that one better.
Crazy, huh?
Wait, but that was round. Yes. Something perfectly round. That was round. A fallen tree in between of those.
Oh man, that's yeah.
There.
See that tree, that little tree? See how it's white? That's where a deer rubbed his horns. This one. See?
Oh, nice.
See how it's just white right there?
Something.
Rub it. Take that green off that cedar tree and rub it in.
Oh, there's one. That one's black. Something soft. That was soft. And a unicorn. Yeah, look at the pine cones.
Got him.
I knew that'd work.
All right, let's move.
Found an acorn.
Awesome.
Okay, you know this now.
One of my favorite quotes from Charles Spurgeon: "It's not about how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness." My three people, they are the delight of my life, and I thank God for them.